The non-rebound bumping hammer is made from a high-density alloy steel tube. The inserts are made from acid and oil-resistant polyurethane. The hammer's non-slip plastic handle allows a firm grip. The bumping hammer's main advantages are its great resilience in all weather conditions and the ability to take substantial blows without getting damaged. The bumping hammer is very safe to use, and its main advantage compared to traditional bumping hammers is that it does not bounce back on impact from the surface due to its filling, small steel balls of a certain size and weight. The bumping hammer is used for bearing installation, finishing jobs in the construction industry, furniture fitting, and assembly. It is very useful for working on objects that must not be damaged.